This is the house of the bird with children inside. You can see the child want to eat. Yes, this is the house of the bird. The house of the bird. This is the house of the bird. So you can see two children. They are inside the house. Let me show you another house. This house that I'm going to show you, there are only eggs inside. There are no children. You can see here. Those are the eggs. 3 eggs. Yes, 3 eggs inside the house. These are the eggs. Yes, look at it. 3 eggs. These are the eggs inside the bird nest. This is the nest. This is the nest. This is it. And the 3 eggs inside. Hope you like it. Share. And like it very well. Thank you for today. This is the end of the video.